All right, so this video is going to be pretty interesting. It'll be kind of a bonus video because working under cars is always a little bit hard to see and tell what's going on, but we're going to work on a constant variable timing transmission from Audi. So these are pretty delicate transmissions. We're going to replace the fluid on them, and it's a little bit difficult to do because like occasionally on some vehicles, they decided to put the fill plug on the bottom of the transmission. It's not my favorite. I guess if it was impossible to get to it any other way, that's fine. You can always, my best idea is just to use a tube, you know, that you can fill it up with, like a dipstick tube. But they didn't want to do that. Some Toyotas do that as well. So we're going to be checking the fluids, filling it up from the bottom, but you also got to warm it up, check the temperature, cycle the gears, whereas other transmissions aren't quite so finicky. So enjoy the video. We'll check it out. All right, here we are. Just going to borrow this parking lot for a little bit. Yeah, as long as I don't make a mess. I mean, I've never had issues out in these parking lots anyways, but my goal is just to not make a mess. Nobody will ever know I was here. And we're in this corner because it's got some shade, kind of reaching all the way out to here. So if it takes about an hour, you know, the shade may be over closer to here, but no big deal. And we'll just get set up real quick. And this guy's gonna be here in just a couple minutes. All right, so here we go. We've got the vehicle lifted up, it's level, and the belly pan's actually not under there. So that's nice. We're just gonna hop under there. There's a fill plug and a drain plug on the transmission right there. I'll show you. I'll scoot underneath there in a minute. And yeah, we'll pop them loose, drain them right here, and get her filled back up. And we'll put the scan tool on there, you know, check the fluid temperature, make sure it's all filled up correctly. And it'll be pretty simple here. You can see that. Just check and make sure my bits fit before I take one out and the other doesn't come out. Those are gonna fit just fine. I wanna make sure this triple square is tamper proof, so you just wanna make sure that the hole in your socket's big enough that it fits around that, you know, tamper proof indent on this. You see what I'm talking about there? So that fits fine. 10mm there. Just fine. Pop one loose. There it goes. Cool. Drain. See you splashing a bit there. Let me pull that other one out. There's a lot of oil all over my hands. Let that cool down for a second. Let me pull this other one out so it doesn't gulp so much air like that and splash everywhere. That's loose. Alright, we'll pop this out real quick. Done with it. Splashing, splashing. Goodness. Going up fast. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and start filling this up. And let's find our plugs here.
So is most of your work in Provo? Or?
Yeah, I don't really. There we go. second and see what that wants to do.
Some already leaking out.
Yeah. Okay, give me just a second. And then we'll this here. All right, here we go. This is a job well done. We just got it up to operating temperature. Just went through the computer and looked at a couple of things just to settle some worries of the customer here, who's actually a subscriber, so shout out to Kent. And yeah, everything's good to go here. We got it warmed up, went through all the gears, got her, originally you top it off till it starts coming out, then you start it up, get the transmission at operating temperature, cycle through all the gears, and then top it off again a second time. We actually did that 3 times just to be sure, because so I was telling Kent I'm all for being double sure on things, and that's a job well done. So we made a mess under here, but on my drip pan only, and that's a job well done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next episode. All right, that's a job well done. Thanks for watching. I'm just heading home. I was actually real close, so no driving montage, and thanks again.